Meaning of hideously.
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 Hideously. Hideously is an adverb that describes something extremely and shockingly ugly or disgusting. It implies a sense of terror, fright, or disgust. The use of this word emphasizes the intensity of the negative qualities of something or someone. For example, a hideous monster, a hideously disfigured face, or a hideously violent crime are all described as extremely unpleasant and frightening. Overall, when we use hideously to describe something, we are emphasizing its ugliness and highlighting its negative impact on our senses and emotions.